It's Michelle with Exclusive Travel Partners. I'm at Beaches Turks and Caicos, and we're going to check out the Seaside one-bedroom concierge villa suite. It's the S1. It's going to be located on the first or second floor of the Salt Cay Villas in the Seaside Village. You can see these are newly renovated suites. They have a separate living and bedroom area, modern decor, and they are just gorgeous. You're going to get a partial ocean or a tropical garden view with these rooms. They are just steps from the beach near one of my favorites, the Jerk Shack. So I personally love this location. The living room has your mini bar area. It also has, a small table, 2 chairs, and the sofa pulls out to sleep too. I love the addition of the Murphy bed for your 5th guest. It's just makes for a great use of space, and there's no need for a rollaway. Let's check out the bathroom. You have your double sink, you have a separate toilet, freestanding soaking tub, and then I love the walk-in rain head shower. Into the master bedroom, you'll see it has a king-size bed, and you have your second HD smart TV, and then the bedroom also has access to the balcony or the patio area. If you've checked out some of my other videos, you'll see that we've stayed in the LV1 previously, which is really similar to this room. I do like this S1 better. I love the addition of the Murphy bed for that 5th sleeper. But one of my personal favorite rooms, I love the layout, love the decor, I love the location. They do only sleep 5, so as a family of 6, I love this room so much. Is it bad that I'm actually considering which kid to leave at home so I get to book this next time? Contact me if you have any questions. I would love to help you get here, and my planning service is totally free.